there were only two bases in the binary number, so there was 1 and 0 was there. And in the similarly, if the base is 5, we are not going to write down 5. We are just going to write up to 4 only. Okay, so if quinary number छ भने, so हामी 5 ले चलाउँछौं, तर 5 भन्दा कम नम्बर मात्र चलाउँछौं हामी. Anushka, Manish, please, video must be on. Nikesh, Sumnima. Okay, so if the base is 5, then remember we are just going to use 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 only. Okay, so these 4 numbers we are going to write down. So charta number we are going to use it. Sorry, 5 numbers we are going to use it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here these are the questions we need to do it. Okay, so these are the questions and these are the answers of these questions. I'm just going to use some questions only over here. So number A I have taken. Okay, so A number is 12 and M number, what is the M number? 194. So these are the answers of this question. Okay, so let us find out. Like yesterday, let us do it today also. Okay, so let us divide with 5. So when we divide it by 5, okay, so let us remember the table of 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 3s are 15, 4s are, okay, so it is 20, 5 25, 6 it will be 30, 7 it will be 35, 8 it is going to be 40, 9 it is going to be 45, and 10 it is going to be 50. Okay, that I think you know it, isn't it? So now we need 12 over here. Okay, there are two numbers. If it doesn't divide the first number, we can take two numbers in the beginning. I think you know this one. So let us take two numbers because it doesn't divide one over here. Okay, 1 banda 5 banda 1 channel, so that's why we need to take two numbers first of all. So when we take 12 directly, then 5 ka table ma 12 आउँदैन. 12 banda अलिकति सानो के छ 10 छ. Okay, so in table of 5 there is only, so at last there must be 5 or 0. I think you know the tables of 5, the pattern of 5 tables. Okay, so either there must be 5 at the last or 0 at the last. So 12 छ भने के हो त? So it is not divisible by 5. So के गर्ने त? So 12 भन्दा सानो 10. Okay, so 5 कति छ 10? 5 2s are 10. Okay, 10 भन्यो. तर यता 12 छ. So 12 minus 10, it is 2. So we are not writing this 2 this side, eh? This was the reminder, that's why we are writing 2. Okay, 5 2s are 10. 10s are, so 12 minus 10, it is 2. Okay, so again let us divide this again by 5. So 5 banda ta सानो छ 2. Okay, so 2 is smaller than 5. So what shall we do? So 5 banda सानो छ भने के गर्ने? So the last number will be 0. Okay, 5 0s are 0. So 2 minus 0, it will be 2 itself. Okay, so now what shall we do? So we need to, let us make the arrow over here. Okay, so like yesterday, we need to write down upside down again. Okay, so tala dekhi mathi. So eta ta mathi lekhe pani tala bata lekhe pani 2 2 नै छ. Okay, but actually we must write down according to the rule. We must write from lower to upper side. Muni dekhi mathi tira janu पर्ने हुन्छ. So 2 2 is there. That's what is our answer. So our answer will be 2 2. So this is the quinary number. Today I have checked some of the answers. So there must be the sign of quinary number. Yesterday there must be the sign of binary. 2 must be there. Binary ma 2 hunu parthyo. And in the similar way, quinary ma, so what must be there? So there must be 5. And yesterday 5 lekhne haina, thulo pada lekhne haina. So 5 must be hanging. Okay, it must be hanging down. Talapati jundi raheko hunu paryo. Okay, so let us do similarly for question number M also. Hope there is no any problem, right? So you the simple thing. Okay, so let us do a little bit bigger one. So 5. Okay, so 194. Let us divide it by 5. So 5, there is, so we cannot divide 1 with 5. Okay, so what we need to do? So we need to take two numbers together. That means 5 ko table 19 down, 19 mala 15 हुन्छ. So 5 3 is a 15. 15. Okay. So 19 minus 15, it is going to be 4. Right? So 4 4 44. I'm teaching so how to divide it. 44. So 44 one divide hundaina. Okay. So 44 on the same case 40. Okay, 40 is smaller than 44. So it will be 40. So 5 is 40. 5 8 is 40. Okay, tare to the 44 थियो. What is the remainder? 4 is the remainder. Okay, so let me show you this one also. Somebody may have understood, but somebody they may not have understood this one. So let me do this one like this. So 194 is there. Okay, so let us divide by 5. Let us divide it by 5. So 5. So 1 like the divide. So we need to take two numbers together. So 15, 19 manda alikati sana 15. So 5, 3 is 15. Okay, so we need to subtract this one. So it becomes 4. So it drops down there. So it becomes again 4. So 5 is 44. So 44 very undaina. So 44 on the sana case 40. So 5 is 40. 5 is 40. So subtract this one. So what is the remainder? 4 is the remainder. Oh, this 4 we are writing this side. Okay. So this 4 we are writing this side, and this one, okay, this we are writing this side. Okay, this Q we are writing this side, and R we are writing this side. Okay. So we are doing directly. So if you don't know how to do this one, do this at the side of the copy. Okay. So if you want to do it, so you can copy this one. Okay. Now, again, let us divide by 5. So 5 को टेबल में 38 आउँदैन 38 भन्दा अलिकति सानो के छ 38 भन्दा अलिकति सानो के छ so it is 35 है so either there must be 5 or there must be 0 so 38 भन्दा अलिकति सानो 5 आउँछ 34 छ अरे 34 भन्दा अलिकति सानो 0 मा जाने okay so if it is more than 5 5 लेख्ने if it is more than 0 okay so 0 मा झार्दिने we can do like this okay so 5 cos 35 5 7 is 35 okay so 35 sir either the 38 थियो okay so 38 minus 35 38 minus 35 35 36 37 38 so how many numbers are there so 3 is the remainder okay so if you have any problem please ask okay so again 5 I have muted all the people please unmute yourself and please ask me the question you can ask me the question so 5 again so 5 को टेबल मा 7 आउँदैन फेरि so 5 भन्दा अलिकति सानो so 7 भन्दा अलिकति सानो कुन छ 5 छ so 5 कति छ 5 5 भन्छ 5 okay 5 so 7 minus 5 it becomes 2 7 minus 5 it becomes 2 अब यो फेरि 5 भन्दा सानो छ okay it is lesser than 5 so at last always let us divide by 0 so 5 so let us multiply by 0 so 5 into 0 it becomes 5 0 is 0 right so 1 minus 0 it becomes 0 so let us write on oh sorry 5 0 is 0 so 1 minus 0 it becomes 1 okay so wow what is that what our answer okay, look at here so again we need to write on upside down here also okay so what is the answer your answer is going to be so 1 2 3 and 4 and I told you just before also so whenever you write on the quinary number so what should be hanging so 5 should be hanging okay so 5 must be hanging over here so यो 5 ले के बनाउँछ भन्दा this is the quinary number यो चाहिँ quinary number रहेछ okay so this will show you so here is also the number here is also the number so what is the so we can write 194 equals to 1 2 3 4 we can write on this one okay so 194 equals to 1 2 3 4 अनि यो 5 झुन्डेको छ भने त्यो के देखाउँछ भन्दाखेरि ए यो चाहिँ क्वाइनेरी नम्बर रहेछ that's why they are equal to each other okay so 194 equals to 1 2 3 4 it is not true isn't it so 2 equals to 3 लेख्यो भने राइट हो त त्यो होइन नि okay so 194 is equal to 1 2 3 4 okay and this is the quinary number that's why we are hanging this 5 so Please, if you are writing binary number, 2 must be hanging. If you are writing quinary number, 5 must be hanging. Okay. So we need to learn some more things. Okay. So if you have already copied, if you have understood, let me go to the next point. Okay. So if you have any problem, you can ask me. So some works I have given you. Okay. I'll send you later also. If there is any problem, you can ask. Okay. These are your questions and these are your answers. So let us check whether our answer is right or wrong. So M number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it right? Okay, so this is right. So number A, what was the answer? 22. Okay, so quinary number. So 22 quinary number. Okay, this is also right. Okay, so our answer is correct till now. Okay, so let us go to the next question. If there is any problem, ask. If I'm going a little bit fast, please tell me, remind me. Okay, so let us do it in a similar way like yesterday we have done it. Now let us change into decimal number. Yesterday we have changed binary into decimal. Okay, if you have remember, so we have changed binary into decimal. Today we are going to change quinary into decimal. Okay, so quinary like a decimal ma change karne. Okay, so let us take question number C, 331. Okay, so 331 quinary, 5 means quinary. So 331 quinary. So hijo कसरी गरेको थियो? Let us do it in the similar way. Hey, so के गरेको थियो? Okay, so first of all we need to write on 3. Into. So then we need to write down the power. Kick a power. So we are writing the binary number or quinary number. So we are writing the quinary number. So the base must be what? Okay, so in case of quinary number, the base must be 5. Okay, so power के हो अहिले नलेख्ने plus. Okay, now after that, so what is the next number? 3 is the next number into. So again, let us write on the same thing. 5 is the base over here. So what is the next number? 1 is there. So where is plus? Okay, so this is the plus over here. So what is the next number? 1 is the next number. 1 into. Okay, so 5 is the base. So let us write down 5 power something. Okay, now, so why we are not writing anything on the power side? Because we need to start from the last. Okay, so कति are numbers or कति are numbers? Okay, so if there are so many numbers, we need to wait. Okay, so we need to start from the end numbers. Okay, so 1, 3, and 3. So 5 power something, 5 power something, 5 power something. Let's start from 0. 0. Here 1. Here 2. Okay, so 5 power 2, 5 power 1, 5 power 0. If there is some more numbers, so what we need to do? So 5 power something, 5 power something, 5 power something. And again, we need to start from last. 0 at the power 1, at the power 2, at the power 3. Okay, so if there are some more numbers, power 4, okay, power 5, in that way we need to go. Okay, so binary मा त हिजो हामी यसरी नै गर्थ्यौं. So equal to, so 3 into, so 5 square means how much? 5 square means 5 are the 25. 25 plus. So 3 into, so 5 power 1 means, so if there is any power 1 means it is the same number. So 5 power 1, 5, 100 power 1, 100, 100 power, so 1000 power 1, it is also 1000. Okay, so same number we need to write down. But if there is power 0, we need to be a little bit careful. Okay, so if there is anything power 0, the value is going to be 1. 5 power 0, 1. 5 power 1, 5 means it's the same name. Okay, so 5 power 1, it becomes 5 power 1 means it becomes 5. So 1 into 5 power 0 means how much? If any power is 0, then it becomes 1. Okay, good. So 3 into 25. Now we need to go for the calculation. We need to be very fast. 25 into 3. The table of 25 is very easy. Eh? 25. Okay. 50. 75. and 100. These four things only we need to remember. 25, 50, 75, 100. These four things only. Or suppose same pattern ma gaeko छ है. So 25 1 is 25, 25 2 is 50, 25 3 is 75, 25 4 is 100. Again, if you go to the 25 5 is, okay, so then what we need to do? We need to repeat 25. Okay, so 25 5 is 120, 125, 25 25 6 is how much? So 25 6 it becomes 150. So 25 7 it becomes 175. Okay, in that way we are going it. So same pattern में हामी जानु पर्छ. So 25 3 जगह धेरै, it is 75. The table of 25 is very easy. Eh? So 3 5 how much? Okay, so somebody they knows the table of 3, but they doesn't know the table of 5. Okay, so 3 5 is 15 भनेर प्याट्टा भन्छ, but 5 3 is कति तया पर्छ. Okay, so we get the same answer, right? 3 5 is भन्दा नि एउटा answer आउँछ, 5 3 is भन्दा नि एउटा answer आउँछ. So remember that. So 3 5 is it becomes 15. So 1 1 is कति हो? It is 1. So 75 plus 15, it becomes 80 or 90?
90.
90. So 90 plus 1, it becomes 91. Okay. So in this way, we are going to get the answer. Okay, good for your participation. So all the videos are on, I think. If there is any doubt, please ask me. Eh? Mona Lisa Shakya. Your video is not on. Please turn all the videos, my dear students. Actually, I don't know the names of the students. So if your video will be on, I can see your face and I can see your name also. In that name, in that way also, I know your faces, but I don't know your names. Because I was not teaching you in the previous classes. Okay. Okay, so Miss Dorka, oh my God, what is this? Dorcas Karki, Anushka, please turn your video. Okay, so let us go to the next question. Okay, so let me do number H. Okay, so this is the last number, H number. So other number, please do it as a homework. Okay, let me do number H. So what is the question in number H? So this is not the question. This is the answer of H number. So what is the question? 1 3 2 1 5. Okay, so this is our question. 1 3 2 1 5. Okay, so again, what we need to do? So 1 into, so we need to write on the base. What is the base? 5 is the base. Okay, so 5 is the base over here. Plus. So what is the next number? 3 is the next number. So 3 into let us write on the base. Plus, okay, what is the next number? 2 is the next number. So 2 into, so 5 power something is the base and 1 is there. So 1 into, so 5 power something is the base. Okay, so these are the questions. So these are your numbers. So 1 is there, 3 is there, 2 is there, and 1 is there. Okay, and 5 we must write down. So this is the quinary number. Quinary ma 5 likhne, binary ma 2 likhne. Okay, so this we know it. So we need to start from 0. So there is 1, there is 2, and there is 3. Equals to, so 1 into, so 1, 5 cube means how much? Somebody they says it is 15. No, it is not 15. What is the number? Tell me. 5 cube means how much?
125.
Yes, it is 125.
25.
So 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are, it becomes 125. So plus 3 into, so 5 square means 5 5s are 25.
25.
Plus 2 into, so 5 power 1 means it becomes 5. And 1 into, so 5 power 0 means it becomes 1. So please quickly take out the answer.
211.
So 125 plus 75, it becomes 200. 200 plus 10, 210. 210 plus 1, it becomes 211. Okay, so that is the correct answer. So let us check whether our answer is correct or not. Number H. What is the answer of number H? 211. Okay, this is the correct answer. Okay, is there any problem? Please ask me. So we have learned addition and subtraction in your computer classes or not? How to add the binary number, how to add the quinary number. Did you learn this one in the previous classes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that will be easy for you then. So shall I start the next number then? I'll send you the photo of this one, these questions. Please solve it. Okay, so if you have already completed, let me go to the next question. If you have any doubt, please ask me quickly. 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, somebody they may not know 5 cube means what. So 5 cube means we need to multiply the same number 3 times. So 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 5 it becomes 5 5 25. And again we need to multiply it by 5. Okay, so 25 5 it becomes 125. That's why we are writing here 125. Yeah, the 125 लेकिन कारण थियो 5 square means 5 into 5. 5 to the 10 po unpani ta sar bhanthe hola कसैले, but it is 5 square means 5. Repeat the same number 5 into 5 25. Okay, so let me go to the next number then quickly. Okay, so addition in binary number, and next one if we have time then we will do the addition in the quinary number also. Okay, so before adding something, let me teach you some basic over here. Okay, so I told you before also, binary means what is the base in the binary number? Base भनेको केले divide गर्ने केले multiply गर्ने in case of binary?
2.
Base is 2. Okay, but base is 2, but we do not write on 2. 2 is the maximum number. 2 चाहिँ लेख्नु पाइँदैन हामीले. Okay, so we cannot write on 2. So 2 भन्दा सानो सानो number के छ? So 0 is there and 1 is there. We just have 10 minutes only left now. So 0 is there, 1 is there. That means only we can write on 0 and 1 only. Okay, 0 र 1 मात्र लेख्न पाइन्छ. तर 3 आयो भने चाहिँ के गर्ने त? 3 आयो भने के गर्ने? 4 आयो भने के गर्ने? Sometimes while adding it becomes 3, 4 also, 5 also. So what shall we do at that time? Okay, so remember one thing. So 2 means what? In case of binary number, 2 means 10. Remember in this way, okay? So 2 means 10. So 3 means what? 3 भनेको त के हो? यसलाई 2 मै चेन्ज गर्ने ल. 2 plus 1 हो यो भनेको. हैन त 3 भनेको 2 plus 1 हो. 2 plus 1 3 हो के नि त? So just do like this so that it will be easy for you. Okay, so 2 means 10. 3 भनेको हो 2 plus 1 हो. Okay, so 2 plus 1 2 भनेको त के थियो 10 थियो है 10 plus 1 रहेछ 10 plus 1 त कति हुन्छ it is 11. Okay, के गरे सरले है. Okay, so 2 means 10, 3 means 2 plus 1, 2 भनेको त हाम्रो 10 थियो. Okay, 10 plus 1, so 10 plus 1 means 11. Let us go to the next also then. So 4 भनेको के हो 2 plus 2 हो. So 2 भनेको 10, फेरि 2 भनेको 10. So 10 plus 10 it becomes 20. Okay, so in this way we can remember, otherwise just 2 र 3 को मात्र याद गर्दा पनि हुन्छ. 2 means 10, 3 means 11. Okay, if you can just remember this one also. So 2 means 10, 3 means 11. Okay, so write on this at the side of a copy so that it will be easy for you. So 2 means 10, 3 भनेको 2 plus 1 भएकोले it becomes 11. So 4 means 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 गरे नि त 4 हुन्छ नि. So we are changing into base है. 2 मा चेन्ज गरेको. Quinary number मा 5 is the base. So 5 बाट चेन्ज गर्छौं हामी. So 4 means 2 plus 2. So 2 means 10, 2 means 10. Okay, this is the main topic we are learning. Okay, so binary number 2 means 10. So 4 means 2 plus 2. 2 भनेको 10, 2 भनेको 10, so 10 plus 10, 20. Okay, so let me start. The addition. यही हामी use गर्छौं है अब. 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1. हैन? So 0 plus 1, 1. ल त हैन. 1 plus 1 कति हो? 1 plus 1, 2 हो. But we can write on 2. है? Remember, right? We cannot write on 2. We can write on 3. So just we can write on 0 and 1 only. So 1 plus 1, it becomes 2. 2 भनेको त के पो? 10.
10.
So what we need to write down? 10 लेख्ने त. Finished. This is our answer.
Yes, sir.
This is our answer. 101 is our answer. Okay, so this one, please write on at the side. Whenever you do the calculation, you चाहिँ लेखिहाल्ने साइडमा so that it will be easy for you. 2 भनेको 10 हो, 3 भनेको 11 हो, 4 भनेको 20 हो. यति याद गर्ने. It will be easy for you. Okay, so let us write down in the same way. 1 plus 1 कति हो? 1 plus 1?
10.
1 plus 1 पहिला भन्नु 1 plus 1 के हो? 2 हो.
2.
So 2 means 10, हैन?
10.
So 2 means 10. So that means 0 यता के लेख्ने? Carry दिने 1. And the 10 भनेपछि 0 यता carry 1 दिन्छ हो के नि त? We do in the similar way. So 1 plus 1 again कति हो? 1 plus 1 2. So 2 भनेको के हो? 10 हो.
10.
2 भनेको त 10 हो. So 0 लेख्ने फेरि carry 1 दिने. Carry 1. So 1 plus 1 again 10. Sorry, 1 plus 1 2 भयो. 2 भनेको के हो? 10 हो. So 10 how we'll write down? So 0, yeah. 1, we'll write down 1 over here. So again what we'll do? So we'll write down 2 at the last, eh? Always write on 2, eh? This is the binary number. Yeah, we are writing 2 over here. Are you understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
We just have 5 minutes only left now. 1 plus 1. Please tell me the answer.
1 plus 1, 2.
1 plus 1, 2. 2 means
10.
10. So 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1,
2.
2. 2 means 10. 0 carry 1. Again 1 plus 1, 2. 2 means 10. 0 carry 1. Okay, so 1 plus 1 again 2. What kind of question is this? So it becomes 10. Okay, so this is the last number. So let us write on 10 in this way. And so 2 must be hanging down. Okay, so this is the Mowgli over here. Tarzan. This binary must be hanging. like a Tarzan. Okay, so J number I'll not do it. So please do it yourself. And the question of this addition, I'll send you afterwards. These are only not the question. There are other questions also. So if this question is repeated in that question, no need to do. Right? You repeat bas. You question repeat bas and going to यो बाहेकको क्वेशनहरु गर्ने ल okay so 1 plus 1 2 so 2 eta like so 2 means 10 0 carry 1 okay in that way we can do it okay let us do this one also eta 3 आउँदो रहेछ त्यही भएर गरौँ 1 plus 1 2 2 means 10 0 carry 1 so 1 plus 1 2 2 means 10 0 carry 1 so 1 plus 1 plus 1 eta 3 आयो oh 3 means what 3 means 11 okay so 1 carry 1 so 1 plus 1 plus 3 3 means 11 so this is the last number so 1 let us write in 1 okay and 2 must be hanging okay is it easy or not
Yes, sir.
okay so I'll send you the question afterwards okay so just 2 minutes left let me go quickly okay so if there is any problem you can do the screenshot and you can copy afterwards otherwise you can see the video afterwards okay let me go let me go quickly okay so what is the base in case of quinary number base is 5 and what are the numbers we need to write down we need to write down 0 we need to write down 1 2 3 and 4 only up to 4 that means if 5 is there 5 means 10 over here now right binary quinary ma chai base 5 means 5 bhaneko 10 ho aba eta chai 5 means what 5 means 10 remember eh 5 bhaneko 10 oh so let me bold this later now if 6 will come then what will do 6 means what
10 plus 1
sorry 6 means first of all let us write down 5 plus 1 6 bhaneko 5 plus 1 bhaneर 6 हुन्छ and 5 means what actually over here 5 bhaneko के हो 10 हो so 10 plus 1 10 plus 1 how much it becomes 11 6 means 11 okay 7 means how much sorry 7 means 7 bhaneko 5 plus 5 plus 1 5 plus 1 5 means 10 over here oh no 5 plus 1 and the 5 plus 2 so 10 plus 2 so 10 plus 2 means it is 12 so 8 means what 8 means 5 plus 3 5 plus 3 5 plus 3 means 10 plus 3 10 plus 3 10 plus 3 13 so 9 means it becomes 5 plus 4 time we have very less time so 10 plus 4 it becomes 14 okay so these are the question okay let me go quickly so 2 plus 0 how much it becomes 2 4 plus 4 8 8 means what 8 means 13 okay 8 means 13 so that means 3 carry 1 so 1 plus 1 so 1 plus 1 the 2 nail so 3 plus 2 kati ho 3 plus 2 5 so 5 means what
10
5 means 10 so write down eta 0 eta 1 okay and 5 must be hanging